Welcome to the vibrant world of ginger, a spice that adds a kick to our dishes and soothes our ailments. Ginger has been cultivated for over 5,000 years, believed to have originated from Southeast Asia. It was one of the first spices to be exported from Asia to Europe, changing cuisines and healing practices around the world. Ancient texts from China and India detail ginger's medicinal uses, including aiding digestion and treating nausea. In the Middle Ages, a pound of ginger was worth as much as a live sheep in England. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, is responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. NASA has used ginger to help prevent astronauts' nausea during space missions.
Ginger can be consumed in various forms: fresh, dried, powdered, or as a juice or oil. Growing ginger requires warm, humid climates. It's a perfect crop for subtropical regions.
Ginger is a key ingredient in many cultural cuisines, from the gingerbread houses of Germany to the soothing teas of East Asia.
Studies have found that ginger can significantly reduce muscle pain and soreness due to its anti-inflammatory properties.
Ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve heart disease risk factors in diabetic patients.
This spice also plays a role in weight management, with research indicating its potential to help weight loss.
Ginger's antibacterial abilities can help fight infections and boost your immune system.
It's not just for eating. Ginger is used in skincare products for its antioxidant and toning properties.
Farmers can utilize organic farming methods to grow ginger sustainably, reducing pesticide use and soil erosion.
Ginger tea is a popular remedy for colds and flu, thanks to its warming and immune-boosting effects.
Historically, ginger was used as a love potion. It was believed to warm the heart and increase affection. In Japan, pickled ginger is served with sushi to cleanse the palate between bites.
Ginger can be easily grown at home in pots, making it an accessible way to enjoy its fresh flavor and health benefits.
Ginger water or tea can provide relief from menstrual pain as effectively as over-the-counter painkillers.
The spice market today sees ginger as a rising star, thanks to growing awareness of its health benefits.
Professional chefs and home cooks alike cherish ginger for its ability to balance sweet and savory dishes.
Ginger's shelf life can be extended by storing it in the refrigerator or freezer, keeping it fresh for months.
Ancient sailors chewed raw ginger or drank ginger juice to prevent seasickness.
Beyond the kitchen, ginger is a common ingredient in natural household cleaning products due to its antibacterial qualities. Ginger extracts are being studied for their potential to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells.
In folk medicine, ginger wraps are used to alleviate symptoms of arthritis and muscle spasms.
The global ginger market is expanding, with India, China, and Nepal being the top producers.
Environmentalists advocate for the cultivation of ginger as a low-impact crop that can help preserve biodiversity. Workshops and cooking classes dedicated to ginger are becoming increasingly popular, celebrating its versatility and benefits.
Ginger oil is a popular aromatherapy choice for relieving stress, anxiety, and promoting restful sleep.
The annual Ginger Flower and Food Festival in Australia showcases the largest variety of ginger plants in the world.
Ginger's complex flavor profile includes notes of lemon, pine, and earthy nuances, making it a favorite among chefs.
Its popularity in folk tales and songs underlines ginger's deep cultural significance across the globe.
Innovative ginger-based products, from health supplements to craft beverages, continue to emerge on the market. Ginger farming supports rural economies, providing livelihoods for thousands of farmers worldwide. Thank you for exploring the spicy, healthful, and fascinating world of ginger with us today. Stay tuned for more flavorful journeys.